Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back again to this channel. In this video, we are actually going to be looking at a live trade that was taken right in this section, and then we're actually going to be looking at the analysis that is going to sponsor that live trade, and after which you're going to see what the trade later played out to be. Now, on this case, I'm actually going to be analyzing this particular trade. As you can see right here, first out, this is our silver, this is XAG USD, as you can see right here, and then this is what the trade looks like. So first off, I had to locate a particular section that you can see right here, and this was actually this particular trade, as you can see, played out. And then first off, I had to get the sweeping liquidity, as you can see right there, which tends to be my upper my sorry my lower bound, and then I had to get my upper bound. At this time, this is what the trade played out to be. So I just want to show you what I previously analyzed in the market. So this was actually what I did. I had my sweeping liquidity, and then I was trying to you know get this trend line here, but of course I wouldn't say I just did something simple anyways, because most of the most difficult thing in trading doesn't tend to yield profits. I've realized in my period of training that the much the more you keep it pretty simple, the more you tend to back out fund, and your trade becomes more successful. So that's actually what is going on here. I was just playing around this trade anyways, and luckily for me, the market tend it to play out possibilities to my favor, and then that was actually what happened here. So I just used my trend line, and to get something like that, and then I, of course, you know for proper clarity and precision, I had to go to my 1 minute time frame, and then this was actually what I've done. So I had that first touch on my line, and then the period when it was supposed to do the second touch, there was a breakout. And then if you are conversant with my video in trading trend line, you understand that I often like doing this. Once I have a trend line, and then there is a breakout, break and retest in most of the cases. Now we have a full break and a full retest, or we might have a full break and then a retest that is within a diagonal. So that, which is what I did here, and as you can see, price came down to that level, break a little bit below that level from there, and then form this hammer candle for me. And then after which I decide to you know there's a candlestick, um hammer candlestick, as you can see right here, that very this very as you can see, that very that's white candle, as you can see that, or the blue candle you're seeing right there. So, and then this was actually what it pretended. So immediately did this, I knew that price would definitely continue bullish already from what I'd already printed out from this. So I decided to go long and set my my full TP right on my the most recent level, and then I had to set my stop loss, as you can see right here, and this was actually 1:4 sharp move, and then this it actually played out full TP for us. So pretty much this was actually the trade that was taken, and then from this analysis you can see how it played out really for me on this, and then it was actually a good one. So pretty much, if you're new to this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever we come your way with a new video. Very important. And also, you want to be part of our community, links are right in the description. If you have any question that you want to ask us regarding trading for a better clarity and understanding, do it to leave it in the comment, and we are actually going to be attending to every one of them. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to also share this video. I'll see you in the next one.